guys, my name's Charlotte. Thanks for coming out, and Earth is on next.
Okay, party people in the house, if you like to get down, come and shake that ass. We the Earth, we put the trust in us. Yeah. I said, sugar fine. Yes, I know the line. Yo, we introduce the Earth, ladies and gentlemen. Yo. I said, one for the rhythm, two for the rhyme, three for the people that want to be like an iron, the most underrated, never celebrated. One to never make it when the money being delegated. Separated from greatest people who think they're making it. You can take it till the face, what's it? Get erase it, get replace it. With all the style, make it, man, you might as well erase it. MCs, Yankees, some too basic. I ain't talking about a hip-hop cases. Some of the things that people make it to the shit. Only get you as far as I can make it, but I'm in the brain. That's the everyday shit.
Okay, I'm ready to order. Can I have a burrito with pico de gallo, no cheese?
That'll be up shortly for you.
Thank you.
I'm so sorry. Here. Let me help with that. Here. I'm so sorry. Here. Dab it with that. It should save it from staining too bad. Sir, I'm gonna pay for this young lady's food. Also, you might need another ketchup bottle.
Thank you. You didn't have to do that.
I feel awful.
It hasn't been the best day.
If there's anything else I can do.
No, I'll be okay. Thank you for the food. You didn't have to do that.
Oh, it's not a problem. It's the least I could do. I feel awful. I'm gonna sit and eat my food, but I hope your night gets better.
Thanks. Thank you.
Not a problem. It's the least I can do. I still feel guilty.
Sorry, I didn't mean to react that way.
No, it's no worries. What are you doing around here?
We just had a gig across the street.
At the Goodfoot?
That's the one.
How'd it go?
It went.
I see. You in a band?
No, it's just me.
What do you play?
Guitar. What are you doing around here?
I'm just in town for work for a couple days. I heard a lot of good things about this place.
What do you think?
This is the strangest taco I've ever had.
Do you like it?
It's really good. How long you been playing?
About 8 years now.
How'd you get started?
My parents got me a guitar when I was younger, and I just haven't been able to put it down since.
That's awesome. What kind of music do you play?
I mostly do covers.
You don't write your own stuff?
I mean, yeah, I do, but I just do covers when I perform, though. What?
Well, how far do you think you can really go doing covers?
What do you mean?
Well, people who cover don't seem to really want to do anything except get gigs. I mean, if you're planning on heading to Vegas, but even Vegas, it's more about impersonations. How's your Elvis?
Funny. Why do I have to be going somewhere?
Wasn't that what performing and music is all about? You know, bringing something new to the table?
I guess.
So, if you're already spending the time writing your own stuff, why don't you just try and play those songs?
I don't think I can.
Really? I find that interesting. Now, I'm no musician, so take this with a grain of salt, but I think you should play your own stuff. If you're going to be performing in front of a crowd anyway. I'm sure your stories are just as good as the artists you cover.
I mean, I know you're right, but that's easier said than done.
Yep. May I?
Oh, yes, thank you.
So what are your plans for the rest of tonight?
I think I'm just gonna get my guitar from the bar and then head home.
Aw.
What? Why? Oh.
You should come to this.
Tonight?
Yeah.
You're asking me?
Yeah, who else would I be talking to? Come on, it's Saturday night. Why would you be going home?
I think we're forgetting one slight detail. I have no idea who you are.
Well, couldn't I say the same thing about you? Come on, I don't know the city. I'm leaving tomorrow. I spilled ketchup all over your shirt. Let me make it up to you.
Yeah, I don't know.
Need a ride?
చూసినోళ్ళు మన్ను బడా సూడ సక్కగుంది వదినే
చూసినోడు మన్ను బడా సూడ సక్కగుంది వదినే
పడుచు పోరి కన్న హుషారైన చిన్నదాయే
పడుచు పోరి కన్న హుషారైన చిన్నదాయే
అందం వల్లరంత పెళ్లితోనే బండలాయే
అందం అల్లరంత పెళ్లితోనే బండలాయే
బిడ్డలు పెరిమిటంట సొంత సుఖం మరిసిపాయే
You were right. This is fun.
See? Aren't you glad you came? What's up?
Nothing. My night just really turned around, so. Thank you.
I'm really glad you came. So what's next?
I don't know. What do you want to do?
I asked you first.
Okay, well, I guess I could get your phone number and then maybe sometime.
You know I don't live here, right?
I know, I'm sorry. I let my mind just wander sometimes. What did you have in mind?
Where are you going?
I've got to leave. I've got a plane to catch at 11.
Okay.
I'll call you. Look, I think you
No,
are...
I understand. You leave in the morning. It's just this felt really good.
It did. It does. How can I make you smile again? Catch in the morning, but it was really great meeting you.
Thank you for tonight.
Don't mention it.
You're back.
Hey, yeah, I'm just here to get my guitar.
Should be over there.